For the 2019 season, we're introducing our brand new welding process to all of our inflatable boards. Welded boards are not only stronger and longer lasting, they're also better for the environment. Traditional glues can wear off since the chemical bonding deteriorates over time, while the welding doesn't. This technology cements the seams through a mechanical bond so it can last as long as the PVC material itself. We start with the inner seam being adhered to the top and bottom part of the drop stitch. Then it goes through the welder, where the overlaps are heated and mechanically bonded. The outer layer of PVC is applied on top, followed by a 3K carbon compression band on the Lux double chamber models for the ultimate strength and stiffness. Our new welding technology has been tested in the toughest inflatable windsurfing boards and under extreme conditions on sub-inflatables and has held up far beyond all gluing methods. Simply put, welding technology makes our boards more durable than ever.